If you want to make your text stand out in Pixlr, outlining it is one of the easiest ways to do it. Whether you're designing a thumbnail, a banner, or just trying to make your typography pop, this quick effect can instantly improve the look of your project. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to outline text in Pixlr step by step, and I'll also share a few tips so you can make it look clean and professional. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now let's jump in. First, open Pixlr and make sure you're working on the design where you want your text outline. To start adding text, select the Text tool. You can either press T on your keyboard or click the text icon in the left toolbar. Once the Text tool is active, click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. This could be a title, a name, a call out, or anything you want to highlight. After typing your text, the next important step is to make sure the text layer is selected. Look over at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and click on the text layer if it isn't already selected. This matters because the outline settings will only apply to the active text layer. Now that your text is selected, look at the top menu bar in Pixlr. Depending on the version you're using, you may see a Styles tab or a Format tab. Click that section to open the Outline section. Scroll down until you find the Outline section. Once you see it, toggle the outline switch to on. As soon as you enable it, Pixlr will begin applying an outline effect around your text. Next, you can adjust how the outline looks. If you want a different color, click the color box and choose the outline color that fits your design. For example, white outlines can help text stand out on lighter images. Then use the size slider to control the thickness of the outline. A smaller size gives a subtle effect, while a larger size creates a bolder and more dramatic look. If you want your text to look more stylized, you can also use the punch-out option. Turning this on makes the inside of the text transparent, so only the outline remains visible. This can be useful for decorative text, logo-style designs, or creative thumbnails where you want a hollow text effect. Take a moment to zoom out and check how the outline text looks in your overall design. Sometimes a slightly thicker or thinner border can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to experiment until it feels right. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to outline text in Pixlr using the built-in text styling options. It's a simple technique, but it can make your graphics look much more polished and eye-catching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.